Cryptocurrency is often seen as a complicated, risky world, only for tech experts or seasoned investors. But what if I told you that you don't need to be a crypto guru to start making money with it? Today, millions of people are earning profits from cryptocurrencies, even beginners with little technical knowledge. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with crypto without being an expert. No jargon, no complicated strategies, just simple, practical ways anyone can use. First, let's understand why crypto is an opportunity for everyone. Cryptocurrencies have created a whole new financial ecosystem open to anyone with an internet connection. No banks, no middlemen, no gatekeepers. This means you can buy, sell, and earn crypto from anywhere in the world. But the key is to start smart and stay safe. Here are some of the best ways to earn money with crypto, even if you're a complete beginner. Buy and hold HODL. The simplest strategy is to buy a cryptocurrency and hold it over time. This approach is called hodling in the crypto community. Instead of trying to time the market or make quick trades, you invest in a crypto asset you believe in and wait for its value to increase. Bitcoin and Ethereum, for example, have grown significantly over the past decade. This strategy requires patience, but is low risk compared to active trading. Plus, many exchanges and wallets make it easy to buy and store crypto safely. Use crypto savings accounts. Some platforms offer crypto savings accounts that pay interest on your holdings. It's like a traditional savings account, but with cryptocurrencies. You deposit your crypto, and over time you earn interest, sometimes higher than banks offer. Just make sure to choose reputable platforms with good security. Participate in staking. Staking means locking up your crypto in a network to help validate transactions. In return, you earn rewards or interest. It's like earning dividends from stocks, but in the crypto world. Many blockchains, including Ethereum 2.0, support staking. Staking is a low-effort way to grow your crypto holdings passively. Some wallets and exchanges even offer easy one-click staking for beginners. Explore airdrops and giveaways. Crypto projects sometimes distribute free tokens to holders or new users as a marketing strategy. These are called airdrops. By holding certain cryptocurrencies or signing up early, you could receive free tokens. While not guaranteed, airdrops are a risk-free way to earn crypto. Stay active in crypto communities and news to catch these opportunities. Use dollar cost averaging, DCA. DCA is an investment method where you buy a fixed dollar amount of crypto regularly, regardless of price. This strategy reduces the risk of buying at a high price and smooths out volatility. It's ideal for beginners who want to build crypto holdings steadily without trying to predict market moves. Learn basic trading with small amounts. If you want to try trading, start small. Use demo accounts or invest only what you can afford to lose. Learn to read charts and understand market trends gradually. There are plenty of free resources and tutorials online. Join affiliate programs. Many crypto exchanges and services offer affiliate programs where you earn commissions by referring new users. If you have a blog, YouTube channel, or social media, this can be a passive income source. Use cashback and reward apps. Some apps and platforms give crypto rewards or cashback when you shop, complete surveys, or use their services. This way, you earn crypto without any upfront investment. Now, some important tips for beginners. Security is crucial. Always use secure wallets and enable two-factor authentication. Avoid scams. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Do your research. Understand what you're investing in, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Keep learning. Crypto is fast changing, so stay updated. In conclusion, you don't need to be an expert to make money with crypto. With simple strategies like hodling, staking, and using crypto savings accounts, you can start building wealth safely. The crypto world is full of opportunities for everyone, beginners and experts alike. Take your time, stay cautious, and you might find your path to financial freedom.